Hi guys, how are y'all?
Good.
Wait, Amma, I'm not able to hear you.
Can you?
Are others, I don't know whether they're sick or whatever. We'll wait for them a few more minutes only. But there is a confusion. Looks like we'll clear it. Or when all of them come, we'll first discuss the time. I think everybody's confused. Let's see. Because I don't want some to be logging in early, some late. Okay, so let's wait. Two Arhans, Arhan. Arhan, are you logging from two machines?
No.
Yeah. Uh, who's this then? Arhan, are you logging from two machines?
I've logged out.
No, because yeah, there'll be lots of echo and stuff. That's I don't know why Sarvata is not in here. Many are not well. Radhika is joining. Let's move on. Was the homework was hard, I heard, right?
I thought the first one was easy, but then the second one was hard. Yeah, same thing
Like
for me. The second one was.
second one was hard. Okay, we'll do that. Don't worry.
Let me get my question. Alright.
Did you see why it was hard? This was on more percentages, which was just a grade level standard. This was, I shifted you up a little bit for grade 7. Okay, why? Because if you want to be accelerated, you might end up solving these. Okay, so that's why I gave you, but we can go over it. What questions you have?
Can I say one?
Yeah, go ahead, ma.
I had a question on number 8 on the second
8.
one.
Okay, okay. We'll go over it. Print it out again if it's not correct.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So here, Shruti, was it too much, Shruti? Too much of homework?
Yeah.
That's okay. Then you do alternatives from now on. You got it?
What do you mean by alternatives?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Let's now all of you are in here, right, in the class. Hey, next week shall we start by 6:15 or 6:30? 6:15 is the original scheduled time. You want to have it as it is?
Sure.
Okay.
6:30.
No, see, each of you are coming at different time. That doesn't work with me. So do we want to go back to the previous one because there were so many people who were waiting as well? So what do you want me to do? I'm okay with either.
I think I like
6:15.
What for the others? This was original. Last week we met at 6:30, so I don't want confusion. Which one do you want? Come on, quick, come on. Let's be united to say something.
I think I would do 6:30 since I'm a little busy. 6:15, so I sometimes join late.
Oh, you sometimes join late. Okay, is there any reason why Saket is requesting 6:15, Saket?
No, I'm fine with anything.
Okay, me as well. I'm fine with anything. Let's go with 6:30. Okay, Akshat, Arhan, did you all get it?
Sure.
Okay, good. We are all clear with the time, right?
Yep, 6.
Okay. Okay. Now, Akshat's mom was telling that you are not able to do some book problems. Right now, I'm not going to get into that at all. But what are the questions you had? Meaning you were not able to solve them?
No, I just had like a little difficulty with it.
I see. Okay, let's go over this. Okay, let's see what I can do in this. Timothy and Alan. Yeah, ma. Go ahead.
Can I do my question after?
Yeah, go ahead. Quick. Timothy and Alandra are cutting strips of poster paper for an art project. She cut 10 strips. Did you all draw, guys? I don't know whether you're all drawing for everything you have to draw. Timothy cut 10 strips of poster paper that are 3 feet. 3 feet by 9 inches. Unit is so important, guys. What is 3 feet? How many inches is that? Please put everything in the same unit. Answer is in feet. See? Answer options are in feet. So I would want everything to be in feet only. Okay? So here, this is 3 feet. What is this? 9 inches means how many feet, guys? 9 inches is how many feet?
0.75.
3 by 4. Good job. 0.75 feet. Alondra cut 10 strips like this, 10 strips she cut it. Okay. This is for Timothy. Like this, you need to draw. What did you do, Akshat? You go ahead and explain.
No, I just didn't know where to start. Like, I was just confused.
Because you did not draw. Alondra cut 10 strips of paper that are of the same length. What is her length? Poster that are each 3 feet by 9 inches. Same length as, but measured same length as, oh, wait, as Timothy strips of paper, but measured them as, okay. If Alondra cuts a strip of poster paper that is, oh, wow. Timothy and Alondra are cutting strips of poster paper for an art project. She cuts 10 strips of poster paper that are, I understand your confusion, Akshat. 3 feet by 9 inches. See, 3 feet by 9 inches long. Okay, 3 feet 9 inches long. Oh, I see. So 10 strips.
Oh.
See, 3 feet 9 inches means 3.75 inches long. Right? Alondra cut 10 strips. We need to be able to read and convert to mathematics, guys. Same length as Timothy strips of paper. Okay, she also cut 3.75. Okay, but measured them as, okay, 106.68 centimeter. Now, this is 3.75 feet, right? So 1 feet is 30 inches, correct?
Yeah.
Are they both equal? 90.75 means how many centimeters I'm calculating? See, there are 30 centimeters in 1 feet, right? So this is 90. 3 is 90 centimeters, and then 3 by 4th is what? 3 by 4th of a feet means I'm going to cut it into 4, right? 4 means divide by 4. 4 sevens are 28. Okay. Okay, something is not correct. If Alondra cuts a strip of a poster paper that is 220 centimeters long, what is the approximate length of the strip in feet that Timothy will measure? Oh, I see. Okay, can I convert this 106 point? I would like to convert this 3.75 feet to centimeters. How much is it? Let's try, guys. 3.75 feet to centimeters. If I convert it, I get 3. Basically 90 centimeters on the 3. And then I have 0.75 feet. How many centimeters are there? So basically it's 30 by 4 times 3, correct?
Yeah.
So what it is, 90 by 4, right? 4 twos are 8. Then you have 4 twos are 8. 22.5. 90 plus 22.5. See, that's not matching. 90 plus 22.5 becomes 112.5. Okay, Alondra, 3.75 feet. Oh, okay, that's fine. So we are going to have this conversion ratio. Let's try, guys. If Alondra cuts out a strip of poster paper that is to see just that, okay. What is, oh, do you get it? It's okay, it is again a proportional conversion, meaning let's see whether we are getting the answer. Basically, they are not asking you to equate the actual feet in centimeters. So they are basically saying 3.75 feet she measured. That measurement she is taking as 106.68 centimeter, Alondra. In that case, if Alondra measures 220, what will be the feet they are asking? Can one of you check the answer as well and let me know? Here, feet by centimeter equal to feet by centimeter. We can do that. Feet by centimeter for Timothy, Alondra, centimeters is the same as feet we don't know. That's what we need to find out. 220. So 220, oh, that's going to be tricky. 220 times 3.75 divided by 106.68. See, I feel like I can approximate it, but I feel like I would end up with either of these. Can one of you check the answer, please? 375. I'll do it fully.
I checked
Uh-huh.
the answer. It was
Answer for A is
H.
See, that's what I thought. I'm going to end up between 7.7 and 8. I honestly felt. Let's see. First are 10, 1, 7 is a 14, 15, 1, 3 is a 6, 7, 7, 50, 5, 0, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 8, 2, 5, 0. So basically, 8, 2, 5, 0. So it will be 8, 2, 5. Oh my gosh, 8, 2, 5. Divide by 106.68. So here when I think about it, 825 by, let's say, see, that's what is hard about this, 106.68. Can I make use of my calculator? Was this in grade 7, guys? Was this in grade 7? Let me quickly check, wait. I'm using a calculator on the last one. 825, or I'll do it slowly. 825 divided by, I just want to see whether the answer is coming. 106.68. Oh yeah, 7.7. Exactly right. Okay. Did you get it? How to do Akshat?
A little bit. I think I might have gotten it if the numbers weren't like.
What was the answer key you said? 8 or 7.7?
7.7.
What ma?
7.7.
7.7. So this answer boils down to 7.7, I'm saying. Okay. Akshat, it's just feet to centimeter conversion. They are saying Timothy and Alondra are measuring the same sheet of paper. Timothy says it's 3 feet 9 inches. Okay, that is equivalent to 3.75 feet. But the same sheet of paper Alondra measures, but she takes it as 106.68 centimeter. It's a little confusing. They're asking if Alondra measures 220 centimeter, how much will be that in feet? Basic conversion. Am I making sense?
Yeah, I got it now.
You can even write this proportion. 3.75 by the question mark will be equal to 106.68 by 220. Whatever you do, it's all one and the same. You have to find this one. How to find?
You would have
So basically 106.68 was divided by 106.68 and then multiplied by 3.75, correct?
Yes.
Same 200 divide by 106.68 multiplied by 3.75. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
A little complicated. For this one, I use a calculator, but you don't have to go 200. It is hard, but we can do. See, 10668, right? So now,
You
1, 1, 0. Oh, I'll take a while. That's it. Nothing else. But we need to be patient sometimes, guys, because with acceleration, you need to be fast as well. But this is the only way out. You won't get such complicated problems, I promise, though. But it's good to have this practice. You see what I mean? Now, this would become a 9, right? Am I doing it correctly?
I don't think you are, because like 10,
What is it?
9 minutes. Oh, wait.
10.
There,
Looks like I'm doing it correctly, right? Yeah.
I was doing a mistake.
No, no. Oh, yeah, I think I am. So now, after this 1 point, this one will become maybe 9 or 8. Let's see. 9 means it will be 90. Yeah, I think we'll get it. 8 nines are 72, 6 nines are 54, 61, 6 nines are
Wait, why do you
54.
have 200? Isn't it 220?
220, Amma. Yes, 220. This should have been 220. Then what happened? What you say is right. If it is 220, this was 9, this was 1, this was again 1. So it should be 2 point something, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see. 220 na 2. Let's see. 1066. I'll be a little patient, that's all. Okay, math is like that. 6 or 12, 13, 1, 6 or 12, 13. If I don't do, you won't do. So that's why I'm doing. Do you see? 2, 1, 3, 3, 6. Now you can put a dot here. 4, 6, 6, 0. 664, right? So it'll be 2.0 something. It will be 66, right? I can clearly take it as 2.06. I can round it there, right? 375, 206. Multiply with 2 decimal places. 6 5s are 30, 3 6 7s are 42, 45, 4 6 3s are 18, 22, and then you have 5 is are 10, 1 7 is are 14, 15, 1 3 is are 6 7. 50277. So with 2 decimal places, see 7. What do I get here?
Yeah, you get
7.7, right?
you get 7.72, but if you round it,
Yep, 7.7. Makes sense, guys? It's just a little bit of work, though. I understand, okay, but math is like that. Unless you get used to this, school will be easy for sure. But you should get used to this. Ma, did you get this, Akshat?
Yes.
What other questions you had?
Uh,
Please raise, guys, any number of questions because it's a hard assignment. Yes, Saket.
I had a question on 15. I was
15.
kind of confused on it.
12th and 15th I'll do. George is carrying a box that weighs 12 pounds and 7 ounces. See, they have given this. See, again and again, it's all to unit conversion, right, guys? What is meaning? Who asked for 12? Akshat, do it on the board. Because simply you're asking everything. Why?
Okay, got it.
I want to see what is the problem. I'll help you. I'm here to help you. Because I really want others to do it and send the answer to me. If you know, do it and send it to me. Otherwise, we'll listen to what Akshat is saying and I'll go over it. Please, guys. Because it's just unit conversion. Again and again, you're going to same the right ratio and proportion. Go ahead.
Yeah. I was reading the problem, so I make sure I understand it.
You're right. I'll help you if you make a mistake.
Can you write it for me? Because, like, it's kind of hard on my thing. Because, like, if I try to write a 6.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Go ahead.
So, if you have 12 pounds and 7 ounces, and trying to get, and if there's approximately 28 and 0.35 grams in 1 ounce, we'd have to do 28.35 times
No. How do you want me to write it?
28.35 times 7.
I want step by step. I just don't want the last conversion. How will you frame the proportion?
Oh, so I would do, so
Go ahead.
so we have
Akshat, I really want you to write the problem and show it to me. Go
But
ahead.
I don't know how to write it out.
Uh,
I mean, I don't know how to explain to you how to write it out.
yeah, how will you solve the problem? Let me see. I'll know what you're missing, right?
Got it.
No, because every time I'm explaining the same way, but looks like you're not writing it in the same way, and that's why we are suffering.
Got it.
Go ahead. Akshat, how would you start writing it? Go ahead and write it the way you solved at home. Because all the questions you're asking are of the same, similar things. And the same thing we've solved so many times in the Beast Academy book as well, right?
Yeah.
Sarvata, did you get the answer for this one?
The answer I got was H.
Oh, okay. Shruti, did you get ma?
I have a question on number 15 though.
I'll go there, ma. Give me a minute. Akshat, please, the whole class is waiting. I want to move on.
I don't get it.
But what did you do when I was explaining the previous problem, right, Akshat?
I was listening, but
Same thing here. There is already a conversion given. Just write it down and then write the next one what is asked.
okay.
So why don't you write it? First write what is given. How will you start the problem?
So I would find out how many ounces are in 12 pounds and 7 ounces.
Okay?
So I do 12 times 16.
No, that's not the way. I showed you a way to write it down. I really wanted you to see, this is the last time I'm explaining, Akshat.
Okay.
This many grams in 1 ounce. This is what is given. First, I need to write that down. Then what is asked? 12 pounds, 7 ounces. 12 pounds, 7 ounces is 12 pounds, 7 ounces is given. We don't know in kilograms. So there's a lot of conversion here. First of all, if this is an ounce, I need to convert this in ounce as well. So what is 12 pounds in ounces? Let me put everything in ounces. Unless you write this, Akshat, you're directly going to conversion, nothing is going to work. They are going to make the problem very complicated. So how to convert it to ounces, Akshat?
You'd have to multiply it with 16.
Multiply by?
16.
So what is the answer?
192.
12 times 16, ma?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. 192, correct. 192 plus 7 is 199 ounce, right?
Uh-huh.
Good. After that, first let's find out the gram. That's easier.
Mm-hmm.
So now write the ratio. You have written it, right? How will you write this? So you have gram, you have ounces. Grams you don't know, ounces you don't know. So what is the ratio you will make?
28.35 grams is equal to 1 ounce.
No. What is the ratio you're going to make between gram and gram or gram and ounce?
Gram and ounce.
Okay, anything works. Gram, ounce is here. Will be equal to you don't know what divided by 1990. So whatever you don't know, right? Leave that. Let me not go there. So you don't know something, right? So from here you have to achieve that. You don't know. But here you multiplied with 1 became 1990 by multiplying with 1990. Similarly, multiply 1990. So you need to multiply both to give it in grams.
Okay.
How will you convert it to kilogram?
You'd have to
20.
divide it by 1000.
That's it. What is the difficulty here? Just because you're not writing this down, everything will be a mess, Akshat. Unless I see you writing this work shown, I cannot help further. You see what I mean, Akshat, with you?
Okay, got it.
Next time I'm going to wait to see how you're going to do.
Okay.
15.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
Isn't it 199, not 1,990?
199. 100. 192 plus 7, 199, 199 ounce. I get it. That was 0Z. Thank you, Arhan, for telling. That was 0C. 0C, I took it as, meaning OZ, I took it as 0. I'm sorry about it. Good job. Good catch, Arhan. I really like that. Can I move on? So you should be able to multiply 199 with approximately, if you want, we can calculate quickly. You know why? 199, right? You can multiply by 200. So double of 28 is what? Double of 28 is 56, right? It'll be a little more, but then 56, I get, oh my gosh, 200, right? If I multiply by 200, it will be 10, 1, 3, 2, 6, 7, 8 is 16, 1, 2 is 4, 5. And then 0, 0 will go off, but one more. I'm getting something. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I'll do it slowly. 28.35 multiplied by 199. 28.35 multiplied by 199, right? I would not want to do this. Let me try 28 times 200. If I do that, is it okay? 28 times 200 is what? It's a 16, 1, 2 is a 4, 5, 5, 6, 0, 0. These are quicker ways to get the answer. If I do that, I cut this off, right? I made this 200. I made some changes. So it should be around 5, 6, 0, 0. We're not getting it, right? What is going on with my brain? 28.35 grams is 1 ounce they've given. Okay. So we don't know what grams is. 121, 121, 192, 199 ounce. Correct. Till everything is correct, guys. But what did we do? So we need that grams as, oh, that is in grams. Oh, this is in grams. That converted, H might be the answer is what I feel. Got it? So that's the quickest way. Now 15, Sarvata found it hard. Let's see.
Same, I also found it hard.
Oh, 15, Tama.
Yeah.
Oh, a tank that has been previously filled with water is draining at a constant rate. Okay, so how do we find this? This situation is represented. What is the unit rate? Unit rate means what? Meaning here what? Amount of water. Y by what, ma?
It's like the difference, well, not difference, but like how x becomes y. I mean, how, like what, since x is the dependent value and y is the independent value. I mean, since x is the independent value and y is the dependent value, like what change it does to y to make it y.
Correct. Correct. I agree. So unit rate means, let's say I have 5 candies. Okay. 5 candies are costing $1.25. What is the unit rate? What is the unit rate means? 1 chocolate's rate. You get it? Unit means 1 item rate. You got it?
You can divide 1.25 by 5.
Yeah. So basically, here, hours of water, amount of water. So water has been draining for several hours. So always unit rate means try to make the denominator 1. That's what they're asking. So in 1 hour, what is the amount of water that's draining? That's what they're asking. You got it?
Got it.
So the denominator, what it is, y by x, right? Here it is y by x I have done.
Yeah.
Always unit rate means you make your denominator 1. That is the unit rate. Meaning in 1 hour, how much of water drained. So for that, what you can do in this? I need to know several things. It is draining at a constant rate that they are giving. So let me see. Ram, I need to choose lattice points. I don't want to choose this point. I don't know what is this point even. So from 90 liters, it dropped, see here, to 60 liters. Do you see? There
Yeah.
there was a 30-liter drop, right?
Mm-hmm.
30-liter drop in how many hours?
Auntie,
Yeah, go ahead, ma.
doesn't that say 50 liters? Oh wait,
No,
oh my bad, my bad.
it's
Tell, ma,
really-
tell me, meaning what?
I just thought the hours and the
Oh,
water.
mixed up. Okay. See, I am referring to this. It's okay. See, we, so 90, 60, right? From 90, it goes to 60, means 30 liters
So
it came
in
down
30
within
liters,
huh.
I mean, in 50 hours, 30 liters.
Exactly. So in 1 hour, unit rate means in 1 hour. Let's see. The denominator, meaning always the x will be your denominator in these cases, right? Because you'll say, hey, 50 liters in 5 hours. That's why you say, right? Draining rate. Draining rate is like that, right? 50 liters in 1 hour, 100 liters in 5 hours, something of that you say.
Mm-hmm.
So the rate is always y by x. So here 30, same. See, if you write this, then is it not easy? Do a proportion. Either you can do 30 by x equal to 50 by 1, or you can do 30 by 50 equal to question mark by 1. How did you get this? How did 50 become 1? Divide by 50, divide by 50. 30 divided by 50. So the unit rate is 3 by 5 or 0.6. 0.6 liters per hour. Can one of you check?
Oh, I realized my mistake. Instead of dividing it by 30, I divided it by 60. Because it was 60 liters.
But did you just check the answer? Is it?
In the answer, it just says the score range.
The?
The score
Wait, let me
range. It never said like the answer.
minus. Wait, Auntie, it says 0.6.
0.6, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you, meaning I really want to explain that. So 3 by 5 is 0.6, right?
Yeah.
Right. So now the thing is why they are having that minus 0.6. It's coming down, right?
Uh-huh.
So basically, one another way of looking at it is since this is 7th grade, you won't be asked whether it is minus or plus and all, okay? But you need to know how to calculate, okay? Meaning we are just scaling up a little bit. So here, the thing is, take 2 points. Take 2 points, meaning lattice points means that doesn't fall like this. You don't even know what is this point. You don't even know. Don't choose those points. Choose 2 points. What is this point? 90, 0, 90, correct? What is this point? 50, 60, right?
Yeah.
So basically, if you want to write the way it is draining, right? The change in y value divide by the change in x value. 90 minus 60, 0 minus 50. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So that's why you get that minus. You should always start from the same y, same x. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Now, any other questions on this?
Number 19.
Oh, 19 was difficult. Okay. This is a good one. Density is the measure of material. See, this is a good science definition you might want to know. Density means mass by volume. The measure of the material's weight by volume. The volume of 3 common metals are given. Okay. This is mass. Okay, let me put it as W. W by V, right? So, so you need to calculate weight by volume, weight by volume, weight by volume for each of this. Based on that, you have to answer this question. You got it?
Oh, yeah. I was confused because like it said the material's weight per unit volume.
Per means divide.
Oh.
You got it?
Yeah.
Per unit volume means denominator is 1.
Okay.
You got it? So here you have the density as 16 divided by 167.84. Oh my God. Here we have the wait. This one we have weight first in the numerator divide by 16, right? But the denominator needs to be 1, then only you'll get the density per unit volume. You got it? This volume should be only 1. So divide by 16, divide by 16. That's the density. You got it? Okay. Anything else?
25 and 26.
Amma, 25 and 26. Sorry, ma. You'll have to skip.
Okay.
25 and 26, let's please skip. By mistake, I had added it in here. I don't know how.
Okay,
I'm
then
sorry.
32
Yeah.
and 34.
32 and 34. 32. Yeah. 34. Okay, let's see. 32, I want to go over with you. You know, it is an extension of percentages. I would like to go over with you. The cost of Mr. Patton's car insurance increased by 5%. Meaning, what percent? This can come actually. This is a very good question, which is a candidate for your exam, which is a little accelerated, but it involves percentages. The cost of Mr. Patterson's car insurance increased by 5%. Then what percentage is this? Can you tell me?
It's 5 more than the whole.
So how do we do that? We need to have, see, part by W equal to X by 100 is the only formula I know.
So it means that $86 and $82 is the whole, and then
Wait, is it the whole? It is 5% extra. Whole is something else.
so if you need to find what the 5% is, you need to have 86.82 as the whole.
Let me reframe it. How about this? The cost of Patterson's car insurance increased by 5% to this money. So how much percentage is this, first of all? Don't worry about part whole. What percentage is this? Increased by 5% means the original was what? The original was 1 whole or 100%. Correct?
Yeah.
If it increased by 5%,
This
it
would
will...
be 105%.
This is 105%. So they're asking, what is the cost of insurance without that change? What was 100% of the value they're asking? So, which is the part, which is the whole now? Ma, you're talking on mute. Anybody can answer this one.
The part is 86.82.
Correct. 86.82 is a part. Yes, part is bigger because we are discussing more than 100%. This is 105.
I think that's the mistake I made. I put 85 as the whole instead of the part, so like my entire answer.
Yeah, that's because, see, if it increased by 5% means even if it is 105 percentage, that is not the whole. Always our whole is 100%. You see what I mean?
Okay.
Okay. Now what else? 30?
34.
34. Okay. So far this month, Ral calculated that he will earn 13 commission for his 200 in product sales. Raul would like for his commission to be 132. How much more? This is not a hard one. This is again a proportion, right, guys? Who can explain to me the answer for this one?
Well, the answer I got was 440%.
But how did you get a percentage? How much more? There is no percentage asked, right?
Oh.
You see, meaning read through, guys. Every word helps you say what is the mistake you are
Wait,
at. Let's see.
I think I didn't know how to like make it into money.
Proportion. Okay, let's see. Shruti, do you understand, or Arhan, can you explain this?
I didn't know this one either.
Oh, it was difficult, Amma. Okay. Who else can say something about it? Arhan, can you? Akshat, can you?
Okay.
Wha-
So
I like you trying.
so if if you get $30 in commission for $200, then instead, and if you get $132 instead of 200, you get 132 instead of 30. So you'd have to find out how you got 20 to 30, and then you do the same thing to 132.
I like. Wait. Please tell me. Please tell me. What was that again? Sorry.
Oh wait, I said 20 to 30. I meant 200 to 30. So we do 200. 200 divided by 200 times 30.
200?
We did.
Can you tell me what is the ratio you're framing? Okay. Thanks. 30. Thanks. That's fine. 30 by 132. This is what you're saying?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So,
I have to find out how 200 became 30 to find out how.
no.
30 became 200.
Yeah.
So you do 200 divided.
Let's do one thing. Let's simplify this, please. It's so messy. This becomes 1, right?
Mhm.
This and this will get cancelled. 3, 3 fours are 12, 3, 1 by 44. 1 by 44 equal to 20 by x.
Uh-huh.
Whatever you don't know. So, how 1 became 20? Just multiply by 20, right?
Yes, yeah. So then you'll get 880.
Did you get it, ma?
Kind of.
What is that you didn't get? We are just creating a proportion between
I don't get
commission.
how you simplified it. Like how the 30 became.
Okay, I'll help you. 30 by 132. Simplify, guys. How do you simplify 30 by 132? Both are divisible by 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. The sum of the digits is 6, which is divisible by 3. So 30, this
So you
becomes 10.
simplified 30 into 100. Okay, I get it.
This becomes 44. Now divide by, okay, 10 by 44 can become 5 by 22. That is fine too. How
Yeah.
5 became 200 times 40? Do the times 40 here. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay, now
That's
I
all.
get it. Because, it was just confusing.
Arhan, did you have any questions in this homework, Arhan?
No.
Okay, can I move on?
Auntie, can I go to the bathroom and come?
Yeah, can I move on, guys? You know what? We are slow. Okay, I really want to go ahead. G7 we have done. You have CB exam coming up as well. So
Miss
definitely I need to
Priya?
ramp up. Yes, ma?
Can I go to the bathroom very quickly?
Sure, ma. Okay, now G6, 7. How good are you all with coordinate planes, guys? How good are you all with coordinate planes?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay, I'm going to quickly do a review of it. And then, let's see. 8 ABCD is important. Okay, let me do 11. Because I'm worried about statistics, which I want to cover with you all nicely. Okay, so let's see. How about in the coordinate plane, right? What are the quadrants?
Wait, X and Y, like that? Or
Excuse me, teacher. Is it okay if I can go to the bathroom right now?
Please go and come back, ma. Kiara, are you following these? How was the homework for you, Kiara? Okay, let's see. In a coordinate plane, right? Okay, I just want to be try to understand where each of you are. What is this point, Kiara? Arhan, what is that point?
That's -1, 3.
Good job. Akshat, do you want to do one, Akshat?
Sure.
What is this point, Akshat?
-2, -4.
Yep, good one. Okay, how about this one, ma? Who wants to try? You want to try, Sarvata?
Sure. So, wait, are you talking, wait, which point are you talking about?
This one, ma.
Okay. So, that's 3 to -3. I mean, 2 to -3.
Good job. 2, -3. Varnika and Kiara. Kiara, are you there?
She went to the restroom.
Varnika went. Kiara?
Auntie, can I do one next?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you draw one?
Yeah, go ahead. Yes, ma. How about I want to give you a hard one, Saket. Really.
Okay.
How about this one?
Is that -2, -4?
X is always the first, right? Don't mix match. Good
Oh,
job.
oh.
Good try. I really like it. You trying out and making a mistake.
Or is
So
it
it's all
-4,
-2. Please be careful with that, okay? Yeah. Akshat, you're aware of these, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you a problem. And what are the name of the quadrants, guys? What are the names of these quadrants?
Can I try this one?
Yeah, Akshat, what is this quadrant?
So there's y, x, -y, and -x.
Which one, ma? Which one you're saying? I didn't get you.
Okay, so this one is y. This
Yeah.
-y.
Oh, okay, okay. What I wanted to know, what is the quadrant name? What is this quadrant name?
1.
2, 3, 4. You're all aware of it. Akshat, the question to you. This point comes in which quadrant?
This one. It comes in quadrant 3.
Okay, good.
Wait, no, it doesn't. It comes in quadrant 2, because if it's
It's in quadrant
2,
2. Good job.
not quadrant 3.
Good job. Good job. So, how about -6, -7? Comes in which quadrant, Kiara?
I went to the bathroom, so I couldn't really see.
No worries. So, -6, -7, you can tell me. You don't remember, ma?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Quadrant 3.
That's right. So, this is negative, this is positive, this is positive, this is negative. So, which quadrant, ma? -6, -7. -6 on the x is on this side. -7 is on the y on this side. So, it is in quadrant.
3.
Neil, can I get your answer? -5, 6 is in which quadrant? Where upon?
Quadrant 2.
Quadrant 2, good job. Okay. Kiara, can you answer for this one, ma? 5, -3?
I don't really understand this.
Okay. In school, what are you doing, ma? What topic?
Right now in school we're learning volume.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Mark that.
Mm-hmm.
Then -3 is down on this axis, right? 1, 2, -3. Mark this. Where does this point meet? That is 5, comma -3. Got it?
Yeah.
Where will the point 3, comma -5 come? Show me. Show me on the board. Where will the point 3,
No,
comma
what,
-5?
what I like to do for that, since it's also confusing for me,
Mm,
if it goes left, I think that it's negative. And then if it goes right, I think that it's positive because you use your right hand more than your left. And then
correct.
when it goes up and down, I think of it like sea level.
Nice. Positive, negative. Did that help you, Kiara?
Kind of, but yeah.
Let me give you a problem. Sorry, the unanimous decision was to meet at 6:30, right, guys? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Now, okay, guys. This is not a hard one. Just quickly tell me.
Excuse me, teacher.
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing right now?
We're doing the problem on the board, right?
Yeah, but like I just came back and
Ma, it's very difficult, Ma. You will have to be there. Come prepared for the class. So we are doing the problem on the board.
okay.
Because see, each of you are going at different times and coming back and asking to repeat becomes seriously hard for the class.
Okay,
Because
so
the others really know, no, it's not a problem at all. Because you see, it's a class. At the same time, you have to come prepared. Meaning, when you come to the class itself, you be prepared with everything. So that you're through the class, you're attending the class to its entirety. What is my problem is each of you go, he wanted to repeat now. Again, you come back, you want to repeat. And what will happen to those who have been here throughout? We are not doing justice, right, Ma? So, Varnika, what is that you want now? I'll help you. What is that you want?
by looking at the question, I think now I get it.
Oh, okay. So, x-axis point, y-axis point. So, on the x-axis, 3.75. On the y-axis, minus 4.25. So, which of these has the vertices of the rectangle as the given coordinates? Try and send me the answers. If you didn't understand, I'll help you, Varnika.
Okay, I'm good.
I'm also going to try. Let's see.
Auntie, is my answer correct?
I'm checking now. Uh-huh. See, all of you are getting it right. I just want to confirm in something. Oh, gee, okay, correct. Akshat Saket Sarvata Arhan, good job. Neil, can you check Neil? Which points are you matching? Can you tell me? Shruti, correct.
I accidentally swapped some, so
Kiara, can you recheck?
Okay.
No, I'm just wondering what is the difference between H and G? They are so similar. See, Kiara, if I were you, you know what I would have done? See, bottom, this line, right? So similar. So how do you decide between the two? This one, this one. One is, see, one is between -4 and -5, the Y value.
Oh,
See,
yeah, I see.
you see what I mean? So which one is the answer?
G.
Ah, see, that's a trick, right?
Yeah.
Varnika, I didn't get the answer.
Yes, I'm still solving it. Since like I can't really tell the difference between H and G. I'm still like seeing, but right now
H
it's
and G, I told you, right? Just now I explained the difference between H and G, right?
okay. I didn't like I was like busy solving.
Let's try. Okay. Let me ask you this. Which of these points has y greater than -3? Which of these points have y greater than -3? A, B, C, D. Just call out the points whose y value is greater than -3. It's a tricky question.
So wait, do we just shout out or do we?
Illamma, please send in chat.
Okay.
Okay, good job, Sarvata. I'm waiting, guys. Think about it. I would like Arhan, Sake, Shruti to answer this one. Try, guys. Good job, Shruti. Kiara, think about which points have y greater than -3. Where is that you're not understanding, Ma? That I want to know.
Let me check again, and then if I still can't find it, then I'll tell you.
Sure. You just see the y points. I asked you which of these points have y greater than -3. Nevan, I would like to know your answer. Good job, Akshat. Akshat, go ahead and do the Akshat, Kiara, and the Akshat, Shruti, and Sarvata. You can go ahead and do this problem which I have written. 66 feet per minute to miles per minute.
My screen is like cut a little bit, so I can't see the
No
problem.
problem. I will do. 1 mile. You all know what is a conversion? 66 feet per minute to miles per minute is what I'm asking you to convert. You got it?
I have a question. How many feet are in miles?
In my class, you know what is the expectation, Akshat? You
In-
cannot ask this question or you cannot refer to any standard sheet.
Okay.
This has to come from your brain. You have to memorize it.
Okay.
Now I'll give you, okay? But it has to come from your brain. next week or the next week, all conversions should come from your brain. Basic conversions.
Okay.
How many? Metric conversions, customary conversions, weight, length, and mass.
Okay.
All conversions, basic conversions, you should know by heart.
Okay.
Go ahead. Now I'll give you the cheat sheet. 1 mile is 5280 feet. Okay, I didn't get answers for both the questions from some of you.
Wait, so Auntie, for the first question, are you asking which points on all the 4 graphs are greater than -3?
Which points?
So for the first question, are you asking which points on all 4 graphs are greater than -3?
Okay, the question is you're given 4 points here, right?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D. Which are the points where y is greater than -3? That's all. We are done with this question. I asked you a new question. Make sense?
Yeah, so isn't y the number on the end?
What is it, ma?
Isn't y the number on the end?
Yeah.
Okay, thank Auntie.
It's always x comma y.
No, like the
Arhan,
first thing.
very nice. Kiara, you're missing. How about B, ma? Your answer is correct, but you missed out B as well. For B as well, y is greater than -3, right?
Yeah.
Varnika, where are we? Where are we?
So I was asking a question because I couldn't see part of the screen, but now I can see it.
What is the answer for this one, ma Varnika?
That one? Oh, I thought we were supposed to solve like the 66 feet thing.
But you did not answer this one. You cannot go to the next one. Others have solved it. I named people who can do this.
Auntie, is my answer correct?
Saket, did you send both the answers?
Oh no, I just sent the first one.
First one, that's fine. No problem. Go in order. I want both.
All right, I'm working on the second.
Arhan, good job. Saket,
Yeah.
D, how did you choose Saket? Y is -4, 1 by 4. -4, 1 by 4 is a value that is less than -3. In negatives,
Oh,
that's why I asked you the question. You got it?
yeah. Sorry.
No problem. But as long as you understand, we are good.
Yeah, I got it.
Go ahead. So did you guys get the 66 feet per minute to miles per minute? Approximately, if you send it to me as well, it's good.
Hey, Auntie, is
Or
my
a
new
fraction.
answer?
Yeah.
I know how to do it. I'm just still solving.
Saket, why A, Saket? A also has -4.25, right?
Sorry, I forgot to correct that.
Arhan, good job on the second one as well. Shruti, good job. Nevan, Neil, where is your answer? Neil, both the questions I'm struggling to get answers from you.
Wait, I was gonna send them together. I think I forgot to send it.
Akshat?
I'm solving the problem right now.
Thank you.
Is my answer correct for the second one?
Sarvata, correct ma. Neil, what is that Neil? Neil, what is that? Y greater than -3. What is the answer? I have given you A, B, C, D as the points, but your answer is 2. What does it mean?
Wait.
And Akshat, you did it nicely, but you have a computational mistake this time. Did you write down the steps, Akshat?
Yeah.
See, you are doing it nicely now, but you are making a computation mistake. You multiplied something wrongly or divided something wrongly, that's all.
Okay, I'll check that.
Yeah, so for the second one, 1 mile is 5280 feet. Two quantities, left mile, right feet. So you don't know the miles, 66 feet is given. How do you convert it? 1 by the question mark is equal to 5280 by 66. So divide by 5280 is the operation. So 66 by 5280, right?
Yeah.
That's it. So I know, Akshat, you got it. Okay, you are able to do now. But the problem is you are making computation mistakes. That you have to solve by yourself. I'm going to leave it. Here, 11, 3, 11 by 88, it's 1 by 8, guys. That's it, right? If you had said 1 by 8, it's more than enough. Okay, now can I move on? Neil, you did not. You did not give me the answer. Akshat, the conversions are becoming hard because in your whatever, when you go to 6th and 7th, if you're not going to show the steps, if you're not going to say, write down what is given, you are not going to be, you are simply, they'll dock points in middle school. Just because you're in elementary, the teachers feel like, oh, my sweet student, they consider you that way. But as you move up, they'll be very harsh.
Okay.
If you don't write a step, they will take away points. Okay, so let me move on. Yeah. I know that you will do, but I'm just saying it so that you do every time.
Okay.
How about this, guys? We are still on coordinate plane, guys. Okay, I'll stop here. Let me finish. I'll give you one only coordinate planes this week. But next week, I really want to move on a little bit. Yeah, you will be able to do all of these problems, but there are only 12 problems this week. I really want to start statistics sometimes. So let's see. Let me try giving you some star papers for you to do. Can we? Yes, guys, if you get it correctly, you can go ahead.
Wait, Auntie, it says edge, but it's a circle. There are no edges.
Okay, let me quickly get you the help. A circle with center 1, 2 is drawn on the coordinate plane below. Which point is located on the edge of the circle means what, Amma? On the perimeter of the circle.
Okay, got it.
Is my answer correct?
I can check. 1 minute, I'm checking to see if you got it right. Hold on. If you get it right, you can leave, Akshay. Good job, guys. Coordinate plane will be easy for you all. See, this week, I'll give you 12 questions, maybe a little more. Akshat, Arhan, Shruti, good job. Arhan, I really want to talk to and see whether it's too easy for you, the class. I'll talk to your mom. Talk to your mom about it, okay? So that I can talk to your mom later this week.
She's right here.
Not right now, I'll talk. You see what I mean? Or I'll call her after the class gets over.
Okay.
Can we leave?
Yeah, ma.
Okay, bye.
Here are that's incorrect, ma. F is 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2 is here, ma. 3 comma minus 2 is here, it's outside the circle. F. Okay, 2 comma 4 is this one. 2 on the x-axis, 4. That's not on the edge. Minus 2 comma 2 is here. So this is on the edge. Minus 2 on the x, 2 on the y. X comma y. This is called a coordinate point. Okay. This is called a whatever this entire thing is called the coordinate plane. This is called the origin. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Any point on this x comma y. Let's say this is 3 comma minus 4. This is x comma y. It's called the coordinate point. Here a H is the answer, ma. Correct. Can I stop here, guys? Next week we'll meet at 6:30. Bye, guys.
Bye.
All right, bye, Auntie.
Bye.
Bye.